Hey, my name is Austin Harman. I am the CEO of Penn Audio, and today I want to give you a behind-the-scenes tour and how we actually build and manufacture our Penn Audio Founder Series speaker. This has been years in the making with a team located right here in Gahanna, Ohio, building speakers right here in the United States. We are so excited to be building these products for you. We are launching the Penn Audio speakers at a conference in Las Vegas next month called InfoComm, and we cannot wait to share our products with the world. But today, I'm going to give you a behind-the-scenes tour of the Penn Audio Founder Series manufacturing process. Let's go. Making something great starts with using the best possible components. And for our Penn Audio Founder Series studio monitors, this is no different. Now, the difference between the Founder Series studio monitors and our regular studio monitors is that our Founder Series studio monitors are a limited run of just 25 pairs of monitors. Sold as a pair, each monitor features a commemorative nameplate that is a special one-of-a-kind design designed by myself. That nameplate is laser etched right here on a 1/4-inch piece of solid metal. You can see the quality of this piece and how much attention to detail we have taken to use the finest quality components for our monitors. That Founder's plate is paired with a maple multi-ply hardwood using only the finest hardwood available. And a selection of stains are available for our monitors, but for our Founder Series, the only available finish is in black. So this is the studio monitor finish with our Founder's plate, so you can see how those things will look together. Next, the actual components themselves. Using made in the USA components, we have the finest quality silk dome tweeter paired with the finest quality 8-inch subwoofer. Using a custom designed crossover network, we are able to achieve exceptional transient sound as well as deep, punchy lows using a very interesting port design of my own. All of these components together make a fantastic studio monitor. Next, I'm going to take you to our factory where I'm going to show you actual in-production units where you can see the quality being made in real time. Let's go. The first stage of our manufacturing process is to bring in raw materials. During this phase, we use a selection of different size of materials, all made out of maple, and we bring in large pieces of that material and begin to process them down. If you follow me over this direction, we actually have a saw where we bring in these large materials and we cut them down to size. Once we have cut them down to size, we move them over to this side of the room where we have individual elements of our monitors pre-cut out and ready for assembly. After they have been cut, we run them through our CNC machine, and we are left with a product that looks just like this. This product will get cut out during the next stage of the process, and we'll go through some finishing steps before we begin the process of gluing and fastening our monitors together. The next stage of the process is our fit and finish stage, where we will take raw materials, we will sand them down, finish them down, and cut grooves in for our proprietary vent design. Next, we move to our fastening stage, where you can actually see an in-progress box that has just been removed from our clamps and has been fastened together. During this stage of the process, we glue our proprietary vent design and fasten using a proprietary process, and then subsequently get a finished box that is ready for sanding. At this stage in the process, you can see the level of quality and detail with a small round over in the tweeter port, as well as a beautiful finish in the vent design. All of our speaker boxes will feature a round over edge, which will be curved over the side and give you a very uniform finish on the box itself. Right here behind me is a selection of boxes that are in the pre-finished phase. Now, each of these boxes is going to get finished with a proprietary wood finish and subsequently coated in a protective coating. Once that occurs, the drivers will be installed as well as the electronics, and the box will be tested before it is packaged up and shipped out. During this stage of the process, we take a great deal of effort to ensure that each box, which is manufactured by hand, is of the fit and finish that we desire. All of our boxes are within a 32nd of an inch of tolerance. So we take a lot of pride in handcrafting quality boxes. Behind me is the finish stage of the process. During this process stage, we apply our proprietary finish to our studio monitor boxes. You can see a selection of materials behind me where we are testing future stains for future products, but for our Penn Audio Founder Series box, the only available finish is our proprietary black finish. After all of the work in our factory, we are left with a beautifully finished American-made studio monitor that sounds incredible. You can be one of the first people in the world to have a Penn Audio Founder Series studio monitor by going to our website and placing a pre-order. If you're watching this video from the future, the monitors are already on sale as of summer 2024. We hope that you enjoyed the behind-the-scenes tour of the Founder Series studio monitor production process. And if you have any questions about our monitors, feel free to visit our website or post a comment below. I would love to answer you. I look forward to seeing you at a show near you featuring our studio monitors. This has been Harman Mixes. God bless you. We'll see you next time.